Hello, in this session I'm going to show you how to set up a customer. First, you have to go to Database and then to Customers. You can see the list of your existing customers. You have to click on New and you have to start filling out those tabs. The first tab is the billing information. You can leave the account number empty and Store Operations is generating a new number automatically. Now I'm creating an address information and I'm going to speed this up a little. Okay, now the next information that I can fill out are the shipping addresses. You can have more than one address for your customer. To add additional addresses, you can click here on New. If you click Yes, your new shipping address will be the same like from your billing information. If you click No, you can add additional information. I'm going to take the same as the billing information. In the Customers Options tab, you can enable different options, such like that the customer is exempt from taxes, or the customer is an employee, which allows you to give certain discounts. You can also enforce purchase limits on the customers, so if the customer tries to buy something that is worth more than the purchase limit you have set up earlier, the POS system will tell you that you would exceed your purchase limit, and then you can decide to either continue or cancel the transaction. The option now here allows you to make the customer as a global customer, which means if you're using headquarters, one customer in one store would be automatically available in the other stores as well. This part is very interesting down here. You can set up price levels for your customers, which means if you choose to set your customer to be price level A, and the customer has been selected at the till, any item that you scan in will automatically be on price level A. You don't have to go any further discounts. Alternatively, if you don't want to use that option, you can also say you by default give 5%, 10%, whatever discount to your customer. Primary sales representative and primary cashier, if you know exactly what cashier or what sales rep is assigned to the customers, you could put those information in here, which then on the other hand side will affect, for example, the commission of your sales representative. Shipping carrier and shipping services, those fields you see you can't choose. That has to do with the fact that if you have a transaction on your till and you go for shipping and you have chosen any shipping carrier or shipping service, the last one that has been used will be displayed in that field down here. If you like, you can also add a picture to your customer. It's the same way as you do with items. The Purchase History tab allows you to view every single item that has ever been bought by your customer, on what transaction has been bought, in what date, what price, and what quantity. The Accounts Informations tab gives you an overview of sales made on account, any payments received, or the balance due. You have to choose what account type your account is. Usually you only have one. Then you have your history down here. The activity or receivable buttons, you see the one that is switching here. Clicking here switches between the activity and receivable views. The activity view shows the customer's account history and running balance. The receivable views shows the customer accounts receivable and the balance due for each invoice. The last tab, the additional tab, can be used to save more information, but those fields have to be set up front. Click OK to save your customer, and as you remember, we haven't filled out the account number information, so you will get a little message that Store Operations automatically generates a new number. Click on Yes, and you will have your new customer on the bottom of the list. Thanks for watching, your PSS team.